Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. First, open the Excel file to see the cells in their original format. If you want to delete only a group of lines, select the range of cells when you do, click on Fill Color and click on the white color there. You can see that in that range of cells the lines will not be visible. Now if you want to remove the lines from the entire sheet, you must go to the View menu. There, uncheck the box, Grid Lines. You will see the entire sheet without these lines. You can check it again to see the lines in the spreadsheet. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.